We think doing 100 push-ups every day will build a chest and give us a perfect body shape. But the truth isn't that simple. Push-ups can actually build your body and destroy it at the same time. Today I'll reveal 3 hidden truths about push-ups that no one ever tells you. And I won't just give problems, I'll also give you the exact solutions. After this video you won't need to watch anyone else. Truth number 1. Posture damage. When you do 100 push-ups every day, your chest gets tighter and your front shoulders start looking stronger. But your back muscles like rhomboids and rear delts stay weak. This imbalance pulls your body forward. Imagine you're building your chest but people see you with slouched shoulders. That confident, upright look disappears. Big chest but collapsed stance. It ruins not just your body shape but also your overall impression. The solution is simple. After every push-up session, do 2 sets of face pulls or band pull aparts. Stretch your chest in a doorway for 30 to 40 seconds daily. And at least twice a week add pull-ups or rows. This keeps your chest growing while your posture stays tall, broad and powerful, the kind of look that grabs attention instantly. Truth number 2. Wrist and elbow stress. 100 push-ups every day overloads your joints. Your muscles grow, but your wrists and elbows keep absorbing the pressure again and again. Slowly, stiffness turns into soreness, and then into tendonitis, and once joint pain becomes permanent, you can't even perform push-ups properly. Your growth stops. The solution is simple. Before push-ups, warm up your wrist for 1 and 2 minutes with rotations and stretches. If the floor hurts, use push-up bars or dumbbells. They keep your wrists at a natural angle. Strengthen your forearms twice a week with farmer walks or wrist curls. And most importantly, follow the no pain ego rule. Muscle soreness is fine, but sharp joint pain means stop. Training smart will always beat training hard. This way, your progress stays safe and long-term. Truth number 3. Muscle imbalance. Push-ups mainly hit your chest, shoulders and triceps. But if you only do push-ups, you ignore legs, back and biceps. The result? A pumped chest but weak legs and a flat back. An unbalanced body that looks incomplete and feels weaker overall. The solution is simple. Along with push-ups, add squats, lunges or jump squats at least twice a week. For your back, do rows and pull-ups. Use variations like incline, decline, and diamond push-ups to hit the chest from all angles. Remember the golden rule, every push needs a pull. That's how you build balance. The result is a physique that looks powerful from every angle, not just chest heavy, but complete and aesthetic. Now you know the problems, and you also know the solutions. All that's left is to apply them, and transform your body into something straight, strong, and alpha. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe to Black Physique for more real fitness truths. I'll see you in the next video.